Oh, have you ever wondered that whenever you receive a file, and I'm showing this text file here on the right as an example, where you have one column that has potentially multiple fields within one column. In this case here, we have a notes column, and down below you're going to see multiple fields within that one column separated by line breaks. Now it's hard to see it here, so let's go into Power Query and you'll see it more clearly on what I mean. So let's go up to Data, and then from text or CSV file, it's a text file for me. Let's click on Import. This brings up the Power Query Navigator that shows you to the preview of your data here. And then what we want to do is we want to select Transform Data. Now this brings it into the Power Query Editor, and you're going to see how this column notes actually looks like. So you can see from here you have potentially multiple column names that are in one column. So how can we extract this? Because if we leave it like this, you won't be able to pivot off of it. You won't be able to filter or create reports off of it. What we need to do is separate these individual fields from this one column and create new columns from that. So how can we easily do that with Power Query? Let's go up, click on the column, and we could go to Transform and then Split Column, and we want to split by Delimiter, and this actually allows us to select the line feed character. Let's select Custom. Now Power Query automatically found a period, so we don't want that. We want to backspace out of that. Okay, and then we want to come down here on the bottom. It says split using special characters, and we want to insert a line feed. So as you can see, it inserted the line feed. Okay, now let's click OK. And as you can see, it separated all those fields that were actually in one column into separate columns. And so that's how we could easily take care of the problem when you have downloads that come into your system where they report several fields, potentially several fields into one field. Now, this could be a more in-depth project, because now you want to be able to split, or not necessarily split, but actually change and transform these columns, because now you have technician, colon, and then the name. So basically you could go further in extracting that information and then only have the person's name, only have the date, etc. And we could go into further detail how you could actually do that in future videos. So I want to thank you for stopping by today. Hopefully this short little tutorial gave you an idea how you can extract multiple columns or extract multiple fields that come into your data set as one field, and then you want to explode those into multiple columns. Thanks again for stopping by. You have a great day, and remember to subscribe to my channel, and as always, please like and share this video. I appreciate it very much. Thank you.